west, and we're leaving from here, and we go west to kind of an area like this. This whole area is known as the Key West National Wildlife Refuge, okay? Pretty shallow and flat. And these yellow things are uninhabited mangrove islands, okay? So this is your guys' trip. We can do what you guys want to do in the area that we go. Most people that come out with us like to do a little bit of kayaking and snorkeling. Are these things that you guys are interested in? Or?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, okay. As far as that goes, guys, I would say for kayaking, we'd head out to Mule Key, this uninhabited mangrove island, if you guys are into it. Anchor up, and I can lead you guys on a guided kayak tour, paddle around the island, mangrove trees, birds, and who knows whatever else.
Yeah.
As far as snorkeling goes, guys, we kind of head over here to a shallow sponge garden area, just so you guys aren't confused. Where we don't make it is all the way south to our main barrier reef, okay? That is further, deeper, more rough, and not good for a small boat like this.
Gotcha.
But a lot of the sea life that lives out at the main reef gets their beginnings back in the shallows. So essentially we visited a nursery today.
Cool.
What that means is stuff that you guys see snorkeling, kind of smaller, more camouflage, not a lot of size or color, weird looking sponges and stuff that you might not have snorkeled on before. Yeah, so those are kind of the areas. We should, I don't know if you guys are into sailing, but hopefully we should be able to get a little sailing going on the way out.
Take a private charter aboard a Java Cat to enjoy one of Key West's beautiful tropical eco tours to explore the mangroves, marine life, and birds. Kayaking amongst the mangrove islands and seagrass beds, your captain will guide your group and point out the abundant wildlife. These islands, completely made of mangroves and seagrass, provide a safe haven for young marine life as well as protection from storms. After kayaking, sail to another area of the refuge known for coral and sponge gardens, easily viewed in calm waters. Snorkel amongst the stingrays to get an up-close and personal view of this incredible marine habitat.
So we just finished our eco tour. Highly recommend it. It was private, which was awesome because just us and our wonderful captain. We went to see some mangroves, kayak through them. She had a lot of knowledge about the birds and the sanctuaries. We also went snorkeling.
Yeah.
Ate really well. Have a nice spread of food.
Yeah, it was a nice little quick 4-hour trip. We say quick because we don't want it to end. We're enjoying it. Like we said, we learned a lot about the ecosystem. Obviously, these mangrove islands. Saw a lot of cool wildlife, not only on the island, but underwater as well. Kids' first time snorkeling, so that was an adventure. A couple equipment issues with our daughter being so little, but that was pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, very cool.
Saw some lobster, saw some triggerfish.
Stingray, conch.
Yeah.
Lots of cool things.
Yeah, so we're heading back into the island, see if we can get some Cuban coffee, because I hear you can't miss that while you're down here. So, anything else?
Nope.
No? I'm gonna relax on the way back.
I think I want to take a nap.
don't give me 10 more. Alright, we're here at Hogfish Bar and Grill. We had to stop by because this place was absolutely amazing. So of course I had to order the world famous Killer Hogfish Sandwich. We're gonna see how it is. I think we got some hogfish sliders over here.
This is the hogfish picture, right?
Yeah, that's a hogfish picture. So let's see if I can get this thing assembled and take a massive bite out of it.
And close to that sandwich right there.
Oh, Swiss cheese, mushrooms, fried hogfish, pickled lettuce, tomato.